clothes go? We used a material that can heal the human body but also break down clothes. What is it called? I don't want to be arrested. I can't say it. If I say it, I'll be arrested for life. Where the hell? I hate this doctor. I will tell the police. Don't do it. I'll do anything. Do daily fun dog activities? Oh, hell nah. I'm not doing that. Are we able to... Can I do human activities then? No, I'm calling the police and I'll tell my lawyer. I'll do anything. I'll give you $10 trillion. Okay. I'll leave. Thank God I left. I'll tell my lawyer once I go home. A cute doggy! I can talk. And number 2, I'm not a dog. My surgery has failed. It can talk! Stop lying. I am sure you're just trying to deceive me so you can't get adopted. Dude, I'm a freaking human, not a dog. Stop lying. Bro, get your hands off of me! Help me! I'm gonna tell the police! I'm sure you're just joking. I'm sending you to PetSmart. Bro, what the This is the worst day of my life. I got sent to PetSmart. I'm not a real pet. Mom, can we adopt this pet? Sure, honey. It looks cute. Hello, Mr. Cutie Pie. My real name isn't Mr. Cutie Pie. It's Light Purple Pumpkin. My surgeon did this. What? You used to be human? Yes, I used to be human. Go tell that to your mom. And someone sent me to PetSmart so I could be adopted. And they called me a species called talking dog. That is so sad. I'm going to call 911. Do it immediately. 911, what's your emergency? Someone sent a human with a failed surgery to PetSmart and they thought it was a dog. And the doctor used an unknown chemical that he said it was illegal and he told him to keep a secret. But he didn't because so he would be free. Okay? The police are coming to Hospital 962. Bye. Bye. Oh, thank you so much. Police, put your hands up. What did I do? You used an unknown chemical on a person and it turned them into a dog. Chill. That's the only way. Put your hands up or I'll shoot. No, I'm innocent. Say goodbye to you loud. Dang, my job is stressing me out. Oh, I hate it here. Hey, wanna come back to normal? Use this. Okay. Okay, I have no idea if this works, but if it does, I'm gonna be hella happy. Oh my god, I'm back! Yes! Yes!